are a few of the sights to be experienced, seeing and smelling both. But sorry, we can't help you smell them through this video. What you are seeing are handcrafted organic soaps, perfumes, candles and other toiletries at the Handmade Carnival in Bengaluru. This is the third edition of the carnival, a 4-day event which this year is taking place at Jayamahal Palace. SoSouth interacted with some of the participants and organizers of this colourful aromatic event. So we have Siddhi with us today and her stall looks very colourful. Come, let's talk to her. Hi.
Hi, this brand is the Zari by Siddhi. It's basically a skincare academy, skincare products, all handmade products and trouser packaging. I've also participated at Krishi Mela. At Krishi Mela, DK Shiv Kumar was present there. He bought a lot of products, especially the lip balm. He directly applied it over his lips and then he's like, I'm taking this, and he bought charcoal soap and everything. What is for men? What is for men? Then I said, this is the soap. Will I become fair? Yes, definitely, sir. Then he bought, he paid, he bought, he was very happy, and he's put it as at his main fan page.
So the owner of Mateen says that this is from a vegetable and this is not a normal brush or sponge, but this is made out of vegetable. That's interesting. Come, let's ask what does he have to say about it.
This is a sponge guard. This is a vegetable based sponge guard. We used to eat it on daily basis. This is a loofah which you can use in your bath. Okay, so this is biodegradable. You throw it and it will be biodegradable automatically within 2 months, not more than that, because it is you can use in a garden also. You can biodegrade in your garden also.
Me and Geeta always had this plan in our mind, a vision kind of a thing, that we need to train ladies into products which will be helpful to industries later on, and that's how this whole thing started. And I've been there for quite some time with them, and I make sure that these ladies are trained so that economically, they're independent, number one, they get a lot of confidence, and at the same time where I put an effort to market their product.
This is Geetanjali, the chief guest of the Handmade Carnival, and here we have the organizer of Handmade Carnival, Geeta and Geetanjali, both are here.
We started this in 2018 since we felt like all soapers, handmade soapers, we didn't have any stand. Like we used to sell the soaps, but there was no that wow factor, so that is why we introduced this Handmade Carnival, where we train and also create a platform for them to sell. It is like we are giving opportunity, and it's all about women empowering.
But an aromatic experience is not only the thing that makes this carnival special. It is an event organized and participated by only women. The items showcased at the carnival are all made using eco-friendly practices. Talking about Handmade Carnival January 2024, this all-women event provided opportunities for individuals to showcase their artistry, be it making soaps, perfumes, candles, shampoos, incense or even Rajasthani-like bangles. Apart from exhibitions of these handcrafted items, there are workshops as well as competitions. Yusuf Madepan, who is famously known for making perfumes, came all the way from Dubai, conducted a workshop on how to make organic perfumes.
I feel whatever any man or woman wear clothes or makeup, the finishing touch, the perfumes. Without perfume, you cannot feel better. When you go out, you spread your smile with smell is nice. That's the better things. Spread your smile like smell.
According to the organizers, Handmade Carnival is helped to promote sustainability in making these daily utility items. Choosing organic soaps and perfumes is a conscious choice, a vote not just for your well-being but also for the planet. Handmade Carnival is open till Sunday at Jayamahal Palace. Considering the variety of stuff at display at the carnival, perhaps you should make a trip and have a look for yourself.